Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone camera not working issue in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, remove the camera lens protector. If you have installed any protector in your phone, then remove it. After removing it, then clean your camera lens with soft tissue, cloth, anything. Your camera will be work properly. If it doesn't work, then open settings and click on general and click on software update. Here you can check your software update. Your iOS latest version will be updated. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating that, restart your phone. For restart your phone, press the power and volume down button at the same time and slide this icon to right side. Your mobile will be restart. After restart your mobile, your camera will be work properly. If it doesn't work, then open settings again and click on general and scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all setting. Here you enter your passcode. To confirm, reset all settings. It can reset all your phone settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other apps. It can reset all your settings. After resetting all settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.